Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to convert string to number and number to string by using of custom JavaScript in Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. That is our website, and I presume that you are all know that what is the tag trigger variables. If you do not yet, you can go to my YouTube channel and go to my playlist section. Here step by step I had described each and everything. So today tutorial you have to understand. So let's get started. That is our Google Tag Manager, and if we are go to the variable section, you can see that I am set up already variable. So our today work is we have to see the three different method how to we have to change the value type number to string and string to numbers. So firstly we have to change the value. You can see that value return type will be the number, so we have to change it to string, and as well as we have to change the number to string and string to number, all of variable. So back to our Google Tag Manager. In the variable section we have go to the new variable configuration and custom JavaScript. Just type the sum code, that is function, first bracket start, first bracket close, and the second bracket start, second bracket close, and just type the return. Our first one is value, and if tag assistant here value shows the number, return type we have to set up it string. So how do we do that? So firstly, we have to adding the value which we are created and just put the dot to string. S will be the capital letter and first bracket start and first bracket closed. So just we giving the variable name, that is CGS number to string value. So save the variable, and now go to preview and check out that our number value are converted to the string or not. So continue and back to our website, any product page. So back to our tag assistant, and in the view item, and we can see that CGS name to string value are converted the string value, that shows the string value. We are perfectly converted number to string value. So back to again our Google Tag Manager variable section, open the variable, and now we have to go to the second method. How can we convert the string value? Again we are type the function, first bracket start, first bracket close, second bracket start, second bracket close, return, and string. S will be the capital letter and first bracket start and first bracket close. In the bracket sections we have to put the value which we are created before. Here you can see that adding the value and save it, and go to again preview, and we can see that our value are converted number to string or not. So continue, that is a website. Go to any product page, back to tag assistant, and then view item variable. Here you can see that also it shows the string value, and our value is 145, and also value shows the 145. So that is the second method we have to apply it. Now time to third method. So again open the variable. I hope you understand how can we have to change the number to string value. So again we have to type function, the same process. Just type the return and give the dollar sign, and also put the value. You can see that we have to adding the value and save, and again go to preview section. Our third method are working or not. Open a product page, go to view item event. Here you can see that also our third method are working. So now let's move the converted string to number value. So go to new variable configuration, custom JavaScript, function, first bracket start, first bracket close, and second bracket start, second bracket close, return, and we have to giving the first float, and we have to cover the first bracket, which value we have to convert. So just we have to adding the value. So value and giving the variable name, that is CGS string to number value, save it. And now go to preview section and check out that our value are converted string to number or not. So continue, open our website, open any product page, back to tag assistant and view item, and the variable here you can see that our string value converted to the number value. So perfectly we have to change the string to number value. So now we have to go to the another method, how to we have to convert a string to the number. So Google Tag Manager, so go to new variable configuration, custom JavaScript. So we are open the value which we are converted string to number. So just we are change the first float and put the number. That is our second method. We have to convert it the string to number and save it. Go to preview, open a product page to check out that our value are converted string to number or not. So variable, you can see that our value are converted string to number. That is our second method. So finally we are go to the third method, how to change the value type to string to number. So again back to our Google Tag Manager, open our variable. That was our second method. Our third method is just put the plus sign and save. Again go to preview. Our third method are perfectly working or not. Continue. That is our website. Open any product page and back to our tag assistant, go to view item. Here you can see that our third method are also working, that will be converted string to number. So finally we have to convert it our string to number and number to string value by using our three method. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.